Y'all, I'm like really scared. I was supposed to go out with a friend for dinner about an hour ago, and I go out there and there's 5 cop cars. There's 4 more that pull up. Um, all I heard was someone said, "Do you hear those helicopters?" And there's lights flashing too. Um, so I go down there and they said, "Ma'am, they're not gonna let you leave the hotel. Like you need to just stay inside the hotel um, until they say that you can go." So like, I'm so fucking tired of this shit. I mean, it's just like I was born in. Jesus Christ, like they're coming back over and over because my lights are on, but I feel like if I turn them off, they'll look more. So I was born in the United States of America. Like, why can't I do what I want to do? I'm tired of living in fear. It's fucked up. It scares the shit out of me. Like, I'm not fucking with you. Like, my friend downstairs said, "Hey, just stay in your room. I'm gonna wait here." But there's a lot of cops, and they have rifles and shotguns, and there's helicopters with spotlights, and they're looking at my room. All I want to do right now is just turn the lights off because they must have seen me walking around. I had a dress on, but I thought maybe if I like put on a t-shirt it could draw less attention, but I'm not gonna die in Texas. I can't stand this shit. Like, even when I do everything, that's everything, like, to pretend to be normal, and they still, some fucked up shit always happens around me. My friend said I've never seen anything like this. They were putting on like um, like armor and stuff, and it's outside the hotel. Um, but they're looking for a white guy, so scaring the shit out of me. I really do you see that? Like all I want to do is just turn off the lights so they don't keep flashing. Like if I open that right there with the Santa sock or whatever the fuck it is. They started like shining lights in my face like helicopters. I'm not fucking with you. But it's not funny when it happens in real life. Like, do you hear that? God, I fucking hate Texas.